I'm going to show you how to get the best blowout using the RevAir Reverse Air Dryer. What's up guys, welcome. My name is Tamika. If you want to learn hair, makeup, and beauty for the beginner and beyond, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss anything. I'm just going to dampen my freshly shampooed and deep conditioned hair a little bit. I'm using the Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray and Paul Mitchell Super Skinny for my heat protectants today. First, I'm going to lightly spray my hair with the Kenra Blow Dry Spray, and then I'm going to apply the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny on top of that. I'm using about 1 pump per section, and I'm going to emulsify that in my hands and generously apply it all over the section, rubbing it in to get it evenly coated. Now I'm going to brush through with my Felicia Leatherwood Detangling Brush, and this gets all of the tangles out to prepare my hair for blow drying. Now I'm going to clip that section up, and I'm going to repeat that same process on the other 3 sections of my hair. I love my Felicia Leatherwood Detangling Brush. It pretty much cuts my detangling time in half. And the bristles expand to be able to accommodate kinky, coily, curly hair. Love it. Time for the RevAir. So I'll divide each section up into 2 sections, so a total of 8 sections. And starting in the back, I'm just working the RevAir up and down and through my hair and getting that nape section. When my hair is about 75% dry, I take the RevAir off and I take my detangling brush and brush through to get any other tangles out and to soften the hair. And then I go on ahead and finish off drying my hair with the RevAir and making sure I get at the scalp really good so it won't be wet. And it usually takes about 90 seconds to 2 minutes to completely dry one section. Not bad at all. So I'm just going to comb through with my wide tooth comb, but sometimes I use my brush. So I'm going to repeat the same process on the next section of hair. I'm going to dry the hair about 75%, brush through with my detangling brush, and then completely dry the hair with the RevAir. And now I'm using my detangling brush to brush through. So soft. I love it. I'm going to repeat that process on the next section. So here are some RevAir tips while I am drying my hair. When drying with the RevAir, be sure the hair is damp because this helps elongate the hair while it's drying. Be sure to use a heat protectant and some sort of blow dry spray to help soften the hair before you start the air drying process. Also, it's best to go through and detangle all of your hair first before you start the air drying process. It makes the air drying process go a lot faster. When my hair is pre-detangled, it roughly takes me about 20 minutes from start to finish to air dry my hair. I've been using the RevAir for some time now, and I have been tweaking the routine as I go, and this is by far the best routine that I have using the RevAir. Can you tell I am loving the results? Sister is floored. I did this to the other sections as well. I went ahead and twisted them up and out of the way and let them kind of cool in that position. Now on to the last 2 sections of my hair. Y'all, that RevAir be getting heavy sometimes. I had to take a lean back because my arms are getting tired. But I'm finally on the last section. That last section dries super fast, so I didn't have to go back and dry it more. Wow. My hair is so straight. This is so soft. This is actually the softest I've ever gotten with the RevAir. I'm amazed. Ooh, I like it. Now I'm just going to go through my hair and make sure my roots are completely dry because I'm going to flat iron my hair later and I don't want no wet roots. It hurts. Don't forget to subscribe to learn hair, makeup, and beauty for the beginner and beyond. Be blessed. Love ya. I love it.